Hello and welcome to Java programming videos once again. This video we're going to talk about comments. Now, what are comments? Comments in programming are very important, especially when you are not the only one. No, not even the only one. Sometimes you will be programming and you may stop at the along the way. When you come back to it or when you resume, you must figure out what you were doing or what you left behind, and we use comments to do that. So comments are not lines of code that must be rendered or that will be compiled, no, but they will just remind the user or the programmer of what they were doing. So there are two ways we can write a comment. The first one is a single line comment. So in a single line comment, we use 2/ to preceding what we want to write. So I can say single line comment, and then I will just say something about the code beneath or under it. So I'll say initialize a variable before I'll come back to initializing the variable. So remember, the code in which is preceded by / will not be rendered or will not be compiled because it is a comment and it's just giving an insight about the code below, but the code here will be executed. The moment I add 2/ here, this also becomes a comment. Though it is a programmable line, it is capable of being compiled, but because of this 2/ here, it is no longer a code but rather a comment. And this is how we write a single line comment. We can also write a multi-line comment, that is comment that's pressed over more than one line. So we can use how we create a multi-line comment. We use / the asterisk, and then we can write within it. So multi-line comment. Okay, so we can write more lines, so it is a multi-line comment. And look at how we create them. The single line comment, we use 2/ preceding the text or the comment, and then with the multi-line comment we use the / asterisk and then close it with the asterisk / and then we write our comment within it. Now in VS Code, I'll show you a quick way to comment out our code. So providing I have more than one line of code here, so let me say my name here, and then I forgot to bring a comment. I want to comment all of these out. The shortcut I will use here is that I will first select all the lines of code that I want to comment, and then I'll press Ctrl then /. If I press Ctrl and /, all the codes that I have selected will be commented out. Alright, if I want to deselect the comment or disable the comment, I will also select all of them, press Ctrl /, and all of them will be disabled. Okay, so that is how we comment out lines of code in programming or Java.